Hey everybody, we are back. While we're hard at work on season 2 of In the Making, here's a quick look back at some of the most impactful conversations we had last season. We heard personal stories.
I mean, first things first, I have a lot of empathy for a business owner who has to corral a bunch of errand draplins.
And I quit without having a plan.
It was very, very bumpy. And initially I was very broke, like very, very broke. But I wouldn't change it for the world.
Honest insights.
I think that perfectionism for an artist comes in the form of the inner critic.
Mm-hmm. You'd think that success would be like, oh, I have like tons of followers, I get tons of engagement online. But the thing that's made me the most happy so far is just like connecting with the people that truly love my work.
There were tons of insider tips.
I think the best way to grow your audience is to poll your audience.
Poll your audience.
I talked to brands pretending that I was my own agent. And it went well. My rates did go up as opposed to me just talking to them by myself.
I'm so glad you shared this story. What a secret weapon. The importance of collaborating.
I realized that there are certain creative endeavors and just endeavors in general that make more sense if you do it as a team.
And just seeing the spark of like them starting to see themselves the way I am seeing them, or how I know other people will see their work, is priceless.
I love it. You're spreading creativity. You're spreading just design all around and happiness.
And well, we had so much fun.
Oh, because I'm shameless. I just was never taught to shut up.
Right here is exactly where I want to be, okay? With you, Teresa, with you.
Come along with me for new episodes of In the Making, where you'll pick up tips from creatives and solopreneurs, wisdom from industry experts, and we'll share some laughs along the way. We want to hear from you. Email us at inthemaking@adobe.com to suggest guests and to tell us how are we doing. Send me a voice memo and we might feature it in a future episode. We'll be back with season 2 of In the Making in 2 short weeks on April 17th. See you all then.
Let's go, baby.